During the Mesozoic Era, Earth was warm and green. Giant ferns, towering sauropods, and fierce predators ruled the land. From long-necked Brachiosaurus to horned Triceratops and the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, dinosaurs came in every shape and size. Some hunted alone, others lived in herds. Surprising fact, many theropods had feathers, the same traits that link dinosaurs to modern birds. 66 million years ago, an asteroid wiped out most dinosaurs, except the ancestors of birds. Follow and watch full documentary on the channel. Subscribe for more paleontology facts.